What's going on, guys? Epic here and welcome back to part 3 of my AVID trip. So today I'll be showing you guys UC Riverside, our hotel, and University of San Diego. So let's go.
It's a big, giant, comprehensive university. We are not going to tour the campus. We are going to walk about maybe 10 to 15 minutes to the Lothian, I think, dining commons, where we are all going to have dinner. And then we're going to walk back to the bus.
10 to 15 minute walk?
In the bus and moving at 7 p.m.
5 minutes later.
And we're on the way to the dining commons. Yeah, we didn't really tour anything from UC Riverside. We just like kind of go in, ate dinner, and then left. So I'll just speed up the process for you guys, and I'll put some banging music. Let's go.
You don't like me, that's established. Keyboard warrior, ugly ass catfish. You can never act this out here, living that lavish life. You should be embarrassed, yikes. Cash in the vault, so it's safe to say your boys stay dry on the rainy days. Royal flow, put me center stage. Walter White, bitches say my name. Coming at me, you need stamina. This ain't for amateurs, waiting for hours and hours to shine on the camera. Still got you powerless. Life is a bitch, but she look like an hourglass. Got no time for this shit. Doubling down, cause I'm trying to get rich and I'm trying to take it to another level. Got 100 bags, 400 bezels. I'm a fucking rebel. I shoot first, carry the game cause the shoes hurt. Put it all on my back, weather the storm, then make it rain till it's 3 in the morning. From dirt to rocks to private planes, home studios to live on stage. And ain't nothing changed, we've been going in since day. Loyalty pays, you've been waiting for that royalty wage. It's never gonna come, is it? Like your girl, throw me her digits, I'ma show her what a real man like. Plenty commas when we fly, no empty bottles day or night. For this life, just ride or die.
Young winner, come fear us. I'm a god like Beerus. Made my mark like over Mars. I don't see nobody coming near us. Ain't no limit where we're going now. I got women always showing now. On the view in any Judas Lumen make 'em listen. Ain't nobody kissing now.
1 hour later.
Young winner, young sinner, beast when I'm done. In a head spinner, cash spinner, brother. I'm the breadwinner, bread butter, run got you and be the soul son. The Johnny Glover, weapon lover, enemy, so they never bubble. Whoa, my life I'm keeping it all on the low. You my fucking all you wanna know. Started this all on my own with a venomous flow as the C to the E to the O.
Alright, so that's it for the dinner. It was decent, it was not that bad. So right now we're going to our hotel. So yeah, let's go.
The real OG, the YouTube dog, fuck your number one, cause I'm limitless. Don't fuck with me else I'm leaving you spiritless. Nah, nah, nah. Why is my ex trying to message? I don't wanna talk to you. Nah, nah, nah. Even this guy wants some money, you know I don't fuck with you. Nah, nah, nah. Tweeting your piece on the net, let me come there and humble you. Nah, nah, nah. I'm on a level where even the devil is scared of me. I got some enemies. Always will hate till I die cause I fucked up that legacy, negative energies. All of the bitches I finish, I keep them in memory. Fuck all my enemies. I am the king of the sheep, you can say it's the one that be keep being under me. I'm on another level, I'm a new age rebel cuz young winner, come fear us. I'm a god like Beerus. Made my mark like over Mars. I don't see nobody coming near us.
20 minutes later.
Okay guys, so here's my room tour. Whoa, okay, that's nice. Okay, here's a mirror and these condiments, water. That's me. Hey Rob. Here's the bathroom. It's not too bad, I guess. Let's turn this on. How do you turn this on? Whoa. There. Hey. It's not too shabby, you know? I mean, it's pretty small for 3 people. Alright, there's towels down there, there's everything. That's good, that's good. Okay. What is this room? Hey, what is this? Yo! Is it linked to a different room? What the? Nah, I'm out, coach. That ain't it, chief. Alright, so over here, there's no lights. So it's gonna be this dark. I'm sorry guys. Okay, That's me again. Hello. There's a microwave, a fridge, TV, mirror, AC, which is so necessary because it's hella hot, bro. Table and desk. Oh wait, chair and table. Table and okay. The sofa, lamp, 2 beds, 2 queen bed, I think. Pictures, and there's a balcony.
Hey, room tour.
Hey.
Is it over?
No. There's
John out.
nice. Look, it's my tail. There's table and chair right here. That thing. And here's the view.
Go crazy. Ah, go stupid. Ah.
That's right. That's pretty good. Alright, I'll see you later.
One pair of pants later.
Okay guys, so this is our first stop. The University of San Diego. It's a Catholic college, although like most religious institutions, don't have to be a Catholic person to come here. And it's a really pretty school. It's a beautiful campus. And
We're gonna get lost.
it's a much smaller school than any of the
It looks cold out.
than any of the ones that we've gone to so far. And so
Bookstore? A bookstore?
Bookstore.
okay, so but here in San Diego, it is a very highly regarded school. A lot of people graduate from here, and they've earned a really good reputation for having graduates that do well in the workforce, as well as a fantastic law school. If you want to be a lawyer. We were going to have you guys do like another one of those scavenger hunts, but what we'd like to do today is we're going to be here for a little over an hour, and we would like to do some whole group pictures at a couple places. Yeah, I know, so popular. At a couple places around campus, and then we'll give you a little bit of time to roam around. So as soon as we park, we'll have a drop-off and pick-up spot.
As long as we hit the bookstore.
Oh, that was one.
Ain't no limit where we're going now. I got women always showing now. On the view and any Judas Lumen making missing. Ain't nobody kissing now. Young when it come fear us. I'm a god like Beerus. Made my mind light over Mars. I don't see nobody coming near us. Ain't no limit where we're going now. I got women always showing now. On the view and any Judas Lumen making missing. Ain't nobody kissing now. What the fuck up?
And touchdown! We're here at University of San Diego. Yep, it's a Catholic school, so you know. Yeah, but the architecture is really pretty, really pretty. I don't know why I struggle with that, but yeah, it's really pretty. The people are chill. The college is chill. And we're about to take some group photos. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that, but I'll show you guys the photo like right 3, 2, 1 now. Right, so now me and my friend is going into this building right here, which looks really fancy. Dang, it looks like a mansion, dog. That's crazy. This is the office of the dean back there.
Thank you.
There's pictures, names. Yeah, but it looks like a real mansion. Look at the stairs over there.
Crazy.
Yeah, there's people working. Wait, it's probably like a study hall or whatever. Dang. Look at the stairs. That's crazy. And there's a downstairs as well. Damn. So I tried to go down to see what's down there, but the door is locked, and I'm scared to open it. So yeah, let's just go back up. Yep.
I'm good.
All right, let's check out the outside now. The back of the building. Dang, look at the view. This college is actually so pretty. That's crazy. But it's for rich people, so you know, it makes sense. Alright.
To go here.
Alright, so that's it for the video to you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. Make sure you check out part 1 and 2. And stay tuned for part 4. And maybe part 5. I don't know, maybe if I feel like it. But yeah. Alright, later.